Hello and welcome to Technology for Blind YouTube channel. So I'm back with a how-to video. In this time, I'm going to be showing you how to record your computer audio or an external microphone using the software called Virtual Recorder. Now, the Virtual Recorder software is a completely accessible software for blind. And it is simply a simple audio recorder for Windows. Okay, now let's install the software. Very simple. Grant the permission and I'm using OBS. You remember I have done a tutorial about OBS, how to use that software. Now let's change this This software is only used for audio recording purposes. You cannot record the video. I use this software for to record YouTube videos, which is songs. So it is very useful, and I edit the audio using Gold Wave. I've done a tutorial about Gold Wave. Go to my YouTube channel and watch it. So let's launch the virtual recorder. Okay, virtual recorder. You can search on the start menu. Virtual recorder. Yeah, this is the virtual recorder, and let's tab around. Output format. There are multiple formats. FLAC, MP3 or WAV. Okay, now let's select the MP3 format. Bitrate is basically the quality. Now 128 is the standard music quality, standard CD quality, and 320 is the extreme quality. Okay, I don't use the 320. 8 is the lowest quality. Okay, now 128. The sampling rate, keep it as default. Stereo mono. Stereo means the audio is divided into basically two channels. There are 4, 8, 7.5 etc. channels, but more than a channel. I cannot explain the stereo and the mono because I don't have the required equipments to explain it, but in the future videos I'll do a tutorial for you. Okay, now most of the times if you are recording a music, okay, from streaming sites or whatever the site, the stereo option would be the best. And if you are recording microphone performance or whatever the audio which is not music, the mono will be good. Okay, so virtual capture device / what you hear basically explains that it will record the internal sound of our computer. Okay, basically your NVDA sound or JAWS or whatever the VLC or YouTube video etc. Okay, both you have to press up arrow. Both means microphone and the internal audio, and sound card means microphone. Okay, now both microphone. This is my default audio device. Yeah, this is my default audio device. Both are same. Okay, now for a demoing process, I'll record my voice and show it to you. Okay, now although the software is completely accessible. You actually cannot change this value, this volume, because this is not accessible. If you are partially blind or visually impaired, you can do it, and also if you tried, you can do this increasing or decreasing volume on mouse. Okay, now you have to come to first virtual recorder and come to up until you hear the volume. Not this. Yeah, this is page right, means it will increase the volume, and left side page right, yeah, page right. I cannot find the page left, whatever. Okay, so 15. If you want to set the volume to factory, you can reset the volume using the tab key and find the button. Okay, now file name prefix is self-explanatory. Now let's put Rashad, accept. Okay, options, there are options. Run at Windows Startup, start minimized, hide system tray, escape key, hides minimized to tray, global hotkey. So this is default. You can play around these settings. About Carlos Nazarios has created this software. He's a great man. Hide window, close, record. Okay, so let's record a demo, short demo. Hi guys, this is Mohomed Rashad from Technology for Blind YouTube channel. Nice meeting you. Okay, now let's press Windows plus R at the same time to get to the run box and type documents. Sorry, DOCUMENTS. And press enter. Press V, press enter. Yeah, this is my file. I will play this file at the last ending of the video. Okay, so you can check the file length or information about the file. Read this readme. I hope this would help you a lot. Okay. Okay.
Readme.txt, notepad, text. Rate 35, rate 30, rate 25.
Okay.
Virtual Recorder 1.1 Introduction. Virtual Recorder is a key/front end for virtual audio capture device. HTTPS.
GUI. It says GUI. Okay. GUI means graphical user interface. Okay.
S //source effort virtual H and the command line media converter FMPEG. HTTP blank virtual audio capture device stereo mix. Unfortunately, not virtual audio. Virtual audio capture device is a direct show audio device which can be used to capture/record what is playing through your speakers. It is also possible to record what is being played through your speakers if your sound card has a loopback feature usually called stereo mix/what you hear. Unfortunately, not all sound cards support this feature, especially on laptops. Some other applications like Total Recorder, Gold Wave, and Audacity can also record what is being played through your speakers. In the case of Total Recorder using its own virtual audio drivers. In the case of Gold Wave and Audacity using the Wasapi loopback feature which is native to versions of Windows starting with Vista. However, Total Recorder and Gold Wave are not free, and with the Wasapi loopback feature in Audacity, I kept receiving errors. FMPEG is capable of accessing direct show audio devices for capturing/recording, but it is a command line utility with many confusing parameters for the average user. All of the above reasons prompted me to start working on Virtual Recorder. Virtual Recorder is free, and probably much easier to use than programs like Total Recorder, Gold Wave, and Audacity if all you want is a basic audio recorder which can record what you hear, your sound card's input, or both at the same time. Virtual Recorder is not an attempt to compete with such applications. It is a simple audio recorder, that is all. Recording. Most of the options should be fairly self-explanatory, so I won't go into great detail, but I will briefly mention and describe a few things which may not be so obvious. As mentioned above, you can record from the virtual capture device which will only record what is playing through your speakers. I.e. system sounds, audio from other applications including your browser, and so on. Of course this means that if you are recording an internet stream, for example, system sounds, sounds produced by other applications, and anything else you might play will also be recorded. You should take steps when making such recordings to avoid this issue by not running such applications and possibly even disabling system sounds in control panel. You can also record from your sound card's line-in and microphone. Finally, you can record from both the virtual capture device and your sound card's line-in/microphone at the same time, which might be useful for recording podcasts, Skype sessions, and so on. You can select what is recorded using the recording source combo box. If you select the sound card or both options, you should also choose the appropriate input from the device combo box. Keep in mind that the virtual capture device only records from whichever sound card is configured as the default system playback device and control panel. So if you wanted to record both sides of a Skype session, you would have to take a few steps first. 1. Make sure that the speakers or headset you are using in Skype are configured as the default playback device and control panel. It is not enough to select the device in the Skype audio settings. You can access the default audio devices and control panel quickly by pressing Windows key R to open the Run dialog, and then typing size.cpl followed by Enter. 2. Make sure that in Virtual Recorder, the both option is selected in the recording source combo box. 3. Select the microphone you are using in the device combo box. Note that when recording from both the virtual capture device and your sound card at the same time, you may have overall lower levels in the resulting file. Use Virtual Recorder's record volume to compensate for this. It may require some experimentation to achieve desirable results. The virtual capture device will not work on XP. It relies on the Wasapi loopback feature which is only available in versions of Windows starting with Vista. Therefore, on XP the recording source combo box will not be visible and only recording from the sound card is supported. You can type a prefix which will be used in the file names of recordings. The current date/time will always be appended to file name, so if you leave the file name prefix field blank, a name will still be automatically generated which consists of only the date and time. You can record to the lossless FLAC/compressed, MP3, OGG, or lossless WAV/uncompressed audio formats. Other formats could easily be added, but I figured these are the 4 most commonly used. Options. If you select the Options button, you can configure some settings such as whether the program runs at startup, minimized to the tray, or completely hidden by disabling the tray icon. There is also a Global Hotkeys tab where you can assign hotkeys for starting, stopping, pausing, and resuming recording when either the main window does not have focus or is otherwise hidden. You can also assign a hotkey for activating/showing the main window when it is hidden. Note that you cannot disable the tray icon unless the Show Main Window hotkey is assigned, since otherwise you would not be able to access the program's main window. For each hotkey, there is an associated Windows key checkbox. Use this checkbox if you want to use the Windows key modifier as part of your shortcut combination. For example, if you wanted to use Ctrl Windows F12 to start recording, you would press Ctrl F12 in the hotkey field and then enable the associated Windows key checkbox. All settings are saved in the file virtualrecorder.ini located in the same folder as the program's main executable. Command line parameters. Last but not least, there are a few command line parameters for scheduling recordings with the Windows Task Scheduler or other scheduling software. Use R to have the program start recording automatically, T to set a duration for the recording, and X to have the program close automatically when it is finished recording. The format for the duration should be HH:MM:SS, hours: minutes: seconds. For example, to have the program record for 1 hour and then close, use the following command. Virtual recorder.xrt 1 o'clock 00x record for 1 hour and 30 seconds. Virtual recorder.xrt 1 o'clock 30x record for 1 hour and 1 minute. Virtual recorder.xrt 10100x record for half an hour, but leave the program running. Virtual recorder.xrt 03000 start recording and continue recording until manually stopped. Virtual recorder.xr. Note that when recording using command line parameters, the shown /hidden state of the main window will depend on the settings in the options dialog. There is both an installer and a portable package for Virtual Recorder, but due to requirements for making it portable, the two executables are not the same. In other words, do not attempt to use the installed executable in portable mode. It will not work correctly. Also, since the portable version requires administrator privileges to register the virtual audio capture device, if WAC is enabled, you will always be prompted when the program starts. This is slightly annoying, but it is the best I can do for now. Announcements about updates to Virtual Recorder and my other projects will be posted on the Tech Talk mailing list. Subscribe. Main plus subscribe at techtalk.groups.post. Main at techtalk.group blank. Note that the list is fairly high traffic, so if large amounts of incoming mail is a concern, please keep this point in mind before subscribing. Blank. Send comments. Blank. Copyright. C. 2016 Carlos Nazario.
So,
Virtual recorder with.
I'm sorry if you had inconvenience reading this note, but I've read this note for you. Basically, I don't know if I forgot anything or I lost or I lose anything. So for more safety precautions, I played this note. Okay, so now
Desktop list. Virtual recorder.
we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching Technology for Blind YouTube channel. So at the end of the video, I'll play the recorded sample of the virtual recorder which we done on this video. And thank you for watching again, and see you in the next video. If you have any questions or ideas about my videos or future videos, please post it in the comment section. Feel free to post it, whatever your idea, in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer or take action according to your comments. Okay, your comments are very important for me and for my channel. It inspires me a lot. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Signing out, Mohomed Rashad. Hi guys, this is Mohomed Rashad from Technology for Blind YouTube channel. Nice meeting you.